In this section, we are going to see how to create the intersection layout. Before creating an intersection or modeling an intersection, we need to create the intersection layout first. So in this drawing, you can see I have a junction or an intersection connecting two roads here. So we call this the main road, and this is our secondary or side road. So you can see when you are creating a junction layout, or otherwise how the junction is behaving at a turning, you need to use turning simulation. We call them swept path analysis. In this case, I have used two vehicles. One is going from this side to turn this side, and the other one is coming from this side to turn into this secondary road. So this vehicle is SU30 single truck, but depending on your situation, you have to select your vehicle type. So for this layout creation, we will be using a simple layout, but there will be certain intersections that has very complex layouts, but you have to model them after creating the layout using this swept path analysis. So now when we are creating the layout, we need to make sure our edge of this road is away from this vehicle path here and here. So to get that, we are going to do some kind of circle here, so that it gives us our edge of curb line, we say, or edge of the turning. So to do that, I'll go to my home tab. From here I will use tan radius option. So I click this one. I have to select two locations where it gets tangent. So I'll select this edge of this road and edge of this main road. So our circle will be created tangent to these two roads. So for the radius, I'll give 15. So now I press. Now I have created the circle. You can see now this turning is okay with this circle. So what we have to do now is we have to trim off the unwanted parts. So I'll launch my trim command and I'll remove the unwanted parts. So now you don't need this part as well, because it will be turning like this. So I'll press escape. For the same manner, I will do the same to the other side. I'll go here, launch that command, and this is my first tangent, this is my second tangent, and my radius would be 15. I press enter. So this radius will be changed depending on your situation, so you have to select the correct type of radius. So I launch the trim command again and I trim the unwanted parts, then I press escape. So now you have two turning areas. So I am going to make this in the same color as this one. So I use match properties command, MA, and press enter. I select my source object as this one and make sure these are my destination places so that it matches with the source layer. Then I press escape. So now I have to put this into a new layout drawing. So I click this, I select these lane edges only the lane edges. You don't have to select the center lines, only you select the lane edges. Now my all edges are selected now. Then I right click and go to cut inside clipboard. So I'll remove all these things and go to a new drawing from here. Then I'll paste them onto the original coordinates. So if the original coordinates are grayed out here, you can use the same option in the paste here on this home tab. So once you click that one, it will be pasted onto the drawing. To get that one, double click your mouse wheel, it will zoom extend. Right, now this is done. This is our layout. So we need this as an external reference while we are doing the work. So you have to save this drawing as intersection layout somewhere in a convenient location. So that is how to create the layout for our junction. This is a simple layout so that you can easily create the junctions, but in real terms you may encounter with very complex intersections, but the modeling and creation of layouts are very much similar to this one.